Come test drive the 2019 GLC. The Mercedes-Benz GLC sets the bar for the luxury SUV, a midsize SUV that's all lean muscle and has a roomy new cabin full of style and substance, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, security system, trip computer, tachometer, driver vanity mirror. Your new ride is just a phone call away.